Hey guys, David Dash Off-Road, and today we're installing this roof rack onto that Y62 Patrol. I've been thinking about this Y62 roof rack for a long time because I don't think there is anything that is specifically built to maximise the roof dimensions on the top of a Y62 while still allowing the roof rack to open, the tailgate to open up, and have the right width for when you're out four-wheel driving. So we've teamed up with a factory that's made this to our specifications, and I think we've got the maximum real estate now on top of the roof. We've got it as light as possible, so this is all aluminium. The box weighed 38 kilos, so probably take a kilo or two off of that when we take the cardboard away. We're going to fit it up. It's quiet. This is the second prototype, so I know this first one was nice and quiet even with the sunroof open. Because everything's back and there's wind deflectors. I'll show you how to build it and then we'll do a bit of a review at the end. Alright, here we go. So I'll give you a bit of a walkthrough of all the bits that come with it. This is the roof rack itself, so it doesn't come assembled, you've got to put it all together. This is all the crossbars, and these are all the other little bits and pieces. Alright, this is where we start. We're going to get these little corners in, and give you the hot tip. It's not that easy. They do go in there tight. It's supposed to be tight because you want it tight. Little man spectating there. So I've got to do that 4 times so to get all the frame done first. So something like this. Alright, if you can see this little gadgety here, this slides in here. So you need one here, 6 down the middle for the cross braces, and 1 at the end. While you're here, you can start doing the corner brackets too. So there's 2 corner plates on each side, 1 there and 1 here that just gives it a bit more strength. Alright, so when we're looking at these cross rails, we need to put 2 screws in here. Now the screws, you either get short ones or long ones. The short ones go on the cross rails, the long ones go that way. So if you haven't worked it out, we'll turn this upside down and we're starting to put the long ones in now, the vertical ones. And they're all got little rivset nuts in them, so you just line it up to the hole, get it in the right spot and screw it down. Alright, so this is where we're up to here. We've got to put the rubbers in, so we'll do that as we go. But I'm going to point out these little bits here. So this is the same, and dare I use another brand, Rhino rack. The same hole, so all the accessories and everything are going to fit in there as well, which is kind of nice. But what sets this thing apart, not just that it's lightweight, but it's these side rails. So all solid, go into the factory location on top of the roof, and there's no holes in them, so that's if you've got a crosswind, and those people that have been towing and things and know what crosswind does to roof racks, it's all solid up against the car, so that's what makes it quiet. Alright, with the rack built now, we've got to get it to fit on top of the car. So you'll see down here, we've got to pull this out with a screwdriver, and then underneath that will be 2 white little plugs, I think. Yep, so we'll pull both of them out and then we'll show you how to bolt the rail on top. Alright, so we can seal it, we do 2 things. First we get these little donut looking things. I've got double-sided tape, so we just peel that off, and then that goes on the hole over the top. And when we bolt the rail to this, we'll also put silicone on the screw so it doesn't leak, because these Y62s can leak through the roof. Go left side, I'll go right, or passenger side, and up and over. You need to be on that side. No, there we are. So we're going to both lift together and go up either side of the car. Yeah, but these are the sides. Yeah, on one side. So roof rack installed. I'd love to be showing you like the outside version of this right now. I was gonna had it all planned through the roof rack and show us driving along and all that sort of thing, but it's pissing down with rain, so we can't do that. What we will do is go for a cruise and get it up to 100 k's an hour to see if we can hear any roof rack noise, that sort of thing. And if it clears up, I'll try and get the drone out and show you some pictures from the top too. Alright, so we're sitting on 100 k's an hour driving through the Gawler Hills. You can hear like a little bit of something. This car, just so you know, doesn't have mud tyres or an exhaust or anything. It's just like as factory as you can go in that respect. And I can just kind of hear the roof rack at 100 k's an hour. Not bad, not annoying, just a tiny little bit of wind noise. And can I introduce our new aluminium double hinge roof rack ladder? I'm so excited about this product. Lightweight, really strong. I think it's going to make your Y62 look tough as.